Okay, to start Flash, you need to type Flash here and click on this icon, but we have already started. And this is the first screen you get. This part is a startup page, the first page you see. And you have other components as well which you need to learn. But let's look at the startup page first. You can start using templates. It can be used for advertising, for mobile apps, animation, banners, presentations. You can learn about Flash, about different parts of Flash, introduction, symbols, an important concept in within Flash, timelines and animation, instance names, simple interactivity, action scripts. All the different kinds of lessons are also inbuilt within this software, and we can get all of this using the startup page. When we create new items, these are the place where we create new items. Previously, I used to use ActionScript 2.0. It is a programming language for Flash, and even after the software was upgraded, personally I used to be more into ActionScript 2 than ActionScript 3. But now it has been so much improvement on ActionScript 3. It's much better to actually work with ActionScript 3. Yeah, even though my own personal familiarity is more with ActionScript 2. So when you click on ActionScript 3, the new Flash document starts, and this part of the Flash document is called the stage. Okay, this part is called the stage, and we have tools here and the timeline. We can change how the workspace is laid out by clicking on window and workspace. For example, the workspace for animator. Or workspace for the classic. Yeah, we'll use the classic this time. Another time we may use the animator layout. It also depends on your own personal preference. Okay, what can we do here? What are the parts we have? We have the timeline and we have the stage. The stage is the place where we put the items. Yeah. We are creating multimedia, so it could be text, it could be pictures, it could be video, it could be sound, it could be animations. So we are putting different kind of items. It's multimedia, so when and where matters. So how do we decide when things would happen? This is where the timeline comes. So on the timeline, we have layers. Yeah, we can have many layers. So for each items we put on our stage, yeah, for each item we put on our stage, we have layers, and we also have frame of time. With the stage, when we click on the gray area here, we can set the stage area. We can resize. For example, this is the width to any width we want. Yeah. At the moment, the default is 550 by 400. Yeah. You may decide for a small computer screen, maybe 800 by 600 is more appropriate. I try to use that often. 24 frames per second. So those, for 1 second of movie, you need to work up to here. 24. Not a nice number to work with. You want to calculate it easily. So I would say maybe change this to 20. Okay. Let's try to create. Flash is very good for drawings, and I know some of you are good at drawing. With hands. So you would be good at Flash. For example, let's draw a ball. Small. Just a simple ball. So we'll use the tool here. when we click on this tool, we can actually, you know, draw a rectangle or oval tool. For example, the oval tool. When you hold the shift key, you can draw a perfect circle. Let me highlight all of them and delete. Shift, I will draw only one. Okay, now if we want to animate this, we have to convert it into a symbol. How do we convert it into a symbol? Select it, modify, convert to symbol. Okay, so it has to be ready to be animated. Convert to symbol, blue ball, you give it a name, and you can create a movie clip symbol, a button symbol, or a graphic symbol. Movie clip is better for this time. There are times when we have to use a button or a graphic, but for this purpose we'll use a movie clip. Click OK. Now this is a symbol, and we should have the symbols panel. Can you see? In the library we have the symbol, and we can put the symbol many times. So each of those balls are different instances of the same symbol. We'll work only with one for now. So for us this ball is only on frame 1. If we go to frame 2, now it's only copying it, yeah. But if we want to decide how it's going to be there, say for 3 seconds, press right click and insert frame. Okay, and we can right click here and create motion twin. You know how, have you seen the film Tom and Jerry? Yeah, they run from one side to the other side, and the senior animator would not draw every picture. It's based on picture, right? But the senior animator would write the beginning and the end, yeah, and the in between frames would be drawn by junior animators. So in this case, we could we create motion twin. So there is a motion twin. We have started the frame. Then we may say we want this motion twin to stop here after 1 second. Right click, insert, keyframe, and so it comes all the way here, from here to here, within 1 second. Yeah, maybe we move it here. So when it's actually hitting the wall, we can change using the free transform. And we can put another keyframe here. We can use F6 to insert a keyframe, and this time we can put it here, and on frame 60 we can insert another keyframe, and if we press Ctrl and Enter, just very simple animation. This is simple. You'll do more things, later on, but with the time you have, can you just creatively move the ball about on the stage? Thank you.